This is Marco with Tennis Pal, and this is the Tennis Minute. Indian Wells is here again with its formidable list of player entries and deep prize money. Many consider this tournament the fifth Grand Slam. The champion will leave with 1,000 ATP points and a check for $1,361,000. That's big-time money that will complement the big-time tennis that's going to be played. At the top, the four seeds are going to be Novak Djokovic, Rafa Nadal, Dominic, Thiem, and Daniil, Medvedev. All four of the top seeds have massive chances of lifting this trophy. Djokovic and Nadal seem to be playing the best right now, coming fresh from victories in Dubai and Acapulco, respectively. Thiem is the defending champion and Australian Open finalist. He's only participated in one tournament since his incredible Australian Open run, losing in the quarters of the Rio Open. However, Indian Wells is back to the big time, and Thiem will rip through the draw for another shot at Novak Djokovic, the only player who can beat him on a hard court right now. Then there's Medvedev. The Russian was on a tear during the summer and fall of last year, clinching titles left and right. He seems to have slowed down a little bit, exiting smaller tournaments early this year. He also underperformed at the Australian Open, bowing out to Stan Wawrinka in 5 sets in the fourth round. Medvedev was my choice to win a slam this year outside of Nadal and Djokovic. Now, I'm not so sure. Outside of the top four seeds, the only player I see having a legit shot at this title is Fields. He's the second hottest player on tour right now behind Djokovic and has already picked up 2 titles this year. He held match points against Djokovic in Dubai, and there's no reason not to see him at least in the semifinals of this tournament and maybe even win it.